Now, in the perfect scenario, you're having your employees clock in and out of the P4P mobile app. If you do this, it automatically creates a time card for you and saves you from having to take their punch in and punch out times from a different software and manually enter them. Unless you're already using Copilot CRM, where it'll take the start and end times of a punch in and punch out time and convert them over, you can save yourself a lot of hassle by having them punch in and out of the P4P app. That would, again, automatically create you a time card right here on this page. It already have their time in, their time out, and then you'd be able to just enter in simply the hourly rate and the budget hours. Now, if you're using simple mode, that you would not see budget hours and hourly rate. You would simply just see how much labor revenue is on this route for the day. Now, from here, if you do not have employees punching in and out on the mobile app and creating time cards automatically, you could generate one manually by just creating this create time card button here in the top right hand corner. Then we just go ahead and select whichever employee we want, select our date, and then go ahead and select the time that they punched in and the time that they punched out. So really not a big deal if they are, if you don't have them punching in the app, you can do it manually, but then this is, again, double entry, not recommended, and it's just much smoother if they're punching in and out on the app. Now, if for some reason you want to punch them in but not punch them out, you can just uncheck this little box here. This would be, for example, if they do use a mobile app, but their phone is dead in the morning or something like that, you can punch them in and then they can punch out later on in the day by themselves if needs be. But regardless, let's assume you're not using the mobile app yet. Maybe you're doing some testing, etc., and you want to create the time cards manually. If you're running these numbers in the back end, let's go ahead and create the time card from here. And there you go. You create the time card. They've worked 8 hours, just simply taking the punch in and punch out time. And then we could just, all we need to do is add in the hourly rate to the customer and the amount of budget hours that were completed on this time card.